Hi, I'm Derek Charge. I'm a product manager with Rockwell Automation. Welcome to the 450L How-To series of short videos. In this video, we're going to learn how to perform a configuration process on a 450L light curtain. So if you ever come to your light curtain and find that the status, the STS LED, is flashing 50-50 red-green, that means that it has detected a change of configuration. So you've either changed the plugin which was used previously, or you've changed one of the dip switch settings on the plugin, or you may have changed it on CCW if you've got software configuration set up. The way to clear this is really quite simple. We have an optical switch on the light curtain itself, which I'm pointing out here, and there's a finger symbol just below it on the light curtain. So what you would do, I'll talk you through the process first, and then I'll actually do one and show you. You need to press and hold the optical switch, and as soon as you do that, the STS flash rate will change from 50-50 1 Hertz to being really quite rapid. I think it's 10 Hertz, so it's 10 times faster. It's very noticeable. You keep it held until there's a change, so it flashes again red-green at that rate. When it starts doing that, you take off your finger, and within 2 seconds you replace your finger and hold again. Flashing will go rapid again, and once the state changes and the flash rate goes back to a slow rate, remove your finger, and within a second or two it should all turn green if it's accepted that confirmation and that new setup. So do that now. So we're pressing the optical switch, the flash rate has changed, it's now much faster. There it's changed, so it's actually just a green flash that you get, green of replaced on the optical switch. It's changed again. So there you go. It's all come back on. I've got all green lights, which means it's aligned. Alignment's good, and the system is ready to go. We're just testing that there. So I'm blocking the field, and you can see that these indicators here with the arrows pointing to each other are the regional intensity LEDs, and they tell you they've got to go green first of all if the system is aligned, but they also tell you which area of the light curtain is blocked. So the top arrow has gone off there because I'm blocking the top area, and if I do it in the bottom, you can see the bottom LED was off. If I do it in the middle, I'm blocking both areas, so both go off. And no matter the length of the light curtain, whether it be 150 millimeters or 1950, the light curtain knows where the top and the bottom is, and whichever area the beam is blocked, it will be identified by these regional intensity LEDs. So the out LED, that tells you the status of the OSSDs. So that's your safety switch. So I've got a blockage there on the beams, so it's switched off. You'll also see on this system I have the 450L-AMUT-IL muting lamp. This is a tri-colour LED beacon. You can have green, amber or red, whatever you want to have, however you want to wire it up. You can only have one at a time, you can't select all three, it only has to be one. I have this wired up through my OSSD output through one of the relays, and I like to mirror the green lamp as per the out, but you could quite easily use the other output of the relay and have that set so that it comes on red when there's a fault or there's a blockage, so that it easily alerts your operators and engineers throughout the facility. That is the advantage of the lamp. It allows you to have greater visibility from a greater distance, as opposed to just these LEDs on the stick face. Important point to note about the confirmation process: you will only ever have to do that, as I said, if there's been a change in plugin or a change in the settings. You can think of it as a safety feature. This is a safety device. It's designed to protect people against potentially harmful machinery. So if there has been a change, it needs you to confirm that there has been a change and that you're aware of it. So it takes deliberate action to make that change. You will never have to perform the confirmation process with a brand new light curtain that you've just received. So if you receive a light curtain from the factory or from the distribution centre in its brand new unused state, it will recognise whatever plugin, whatever configuration the plugin has and apply that. It won't ever ask you for a confirmation. I'll repeat again, it will only ask you for the confirmation process when it detects there's been a change. To demonstrate the versatility of the 450L AMUT-IL, the illumination lamp, I now have it wired so that the red lamp will come on when the OSSD goes off. So you can see here, the OSSD is on just now. It's good, got a green light. If I break the field, that should go from green to red, and the lamp should come on red.